Hello, my name is John Phillips. I'm the Director of Public Works for West Hartford, Connecticut. I manage the department of 60 employees. We maintain 218 miles of road for the municipality of West Hartford here in Connecticut. So Public Works in West Hartford is really focused on the maintenance of the entire transportation system, our park system, some of our structures, parking garages, parking lots, and obviously all of our grounds and athletic fields throughout the town. We use a variety of different equipments. Like the machine behind me, the trackless machine. It's a multi-purpose unit that can mow lawns, mow side banks, but also does snow and ice control, even can help us with scaly type repairs on our road system. So recently this year we purchased 2 electric vehicle Madvac litter collectors, and that helps us cover a lot more ground than we can manually. We have a Vactor that's part of our stormwater management. We have a Pelican sweeper, and we have an Elgin Whirlwind air sweeper. Well, I've been the Director of Public Works in West Hartford for 16 years now, and seeing wood has been a big part of my development as a director, teaching me, educating me of the tools that are out there and offered, and the applications that best fit our operation. And so we've had a great working relationship with Seeing Wood in providing the information we need, the training we need, and then making sure that we're fitted right with the right piece of equipment for our work. It's probably a collaboration of communication, right? Seeing Wood does an excellent job of always reaching out. They've got an excellent social media footprint, so you can always see them on social media and what machines they're bringing online, what might be coming out in the future. They make a presence at local trade shows. They make a big presence there to make sure that they're talking to Public Works, myself, or other Public Works directors in this local area, and making sure that we know that they're there for us if we need them. If I've got a question in mind, I can reach out to Seeing Wood to collaborate with them on maybe a certain piece of equipment. Is this the right fit for us? They work on bringing us demos, talk about the equipment. And then once the relationship is made or a piece of equipment has been sold, they stand behind it. We recently just used Seeing Wood for training, little in-service training for operators. Even though they use it every day, you forget the little things on maintenance that should be done of the unit to make sure we're operating it properly so we can keep its uptime as high as possible, and then maybe see any additional problems that the manufacturer needs to look at for issues that need to be updated. Well, we do a great job of maintaining our units in-house. Our mechanics are highly skilled. However, today's machinery is very technical. It's advancing quickly. So we need companies like Seeing Wood to make sure that we're staying up to speed with our mechanics. But if we need to go out and we need to send a piece out to the specialties that Seeing Wood provides, we're not afraid to do that and make that connection and make sure that that relationship stays intact. They provide us with OEM parts, anything we need to make sure that machine is up and running at its maximum runnability time.